Good morning. How you doing? Obviously, I suck at making videos. Somebody's waking up right now, so I will BRB. Let me see if I can put her back to sleep, and then we'll try this again. Okay, so normally I tend to actually wash my hair the day of. I let it air dry, then I blow dry. I don't use any special products. I did not wash my hair today. I washed it like a day or two ago, and I didn't put any products in it because my intention was to straighten it, but I don't have the luxury of just doing what I want when I want anymore. It's usually after I wash it and everything, you know, I let it dry. I will have it parted like in the middle, and then I'll blow dry one side, blow dry the other side. My hair right now is kind of like under my boobie. That's like the longest part. I used to have layers, but I haven't cut my hair in so long because mom life. Blow dryer that I use is this Infinity Pro Conair. I got it, I think from like Target or something a while ago, so it looks like super dingy and gross. Don't judge me. The straightener that I use is called, oh, it's hot. Girl, let me do something for myself for once. Probably be fast forwarding through this part. I start from the bottom and I just kind of work my way up. Let's go ahead and get started. This is one finished part side. Jesus, my ends are crusty. That is not it. Damn, my ends are jacked up. Maybe we can get a haircut later on in the week or so. Okay, my hair is not all the way blow dried. This is probably the worst blow dry I've ever done in my life. If you want like a really sleek hair look, I suggest you like really taking your time with the blow dryer and just really smoothing over as much as you can. I hate this, like I hate this. Definitely take your time and go slow, or else you're gonna ruin your hair like I think I might have just done. No going back now. I'm just kind of going down the middle. Roll. You can see like the dead end, like all this is like pretty much looks like it's dead to me. But honey, this is what we gotta go with. It would be cute if this was like a pigtail like that. So I'm actually going to start off with this side. So I don't know how well this is gonna work out because she's not even happy in here, huh? You're not even happy in here, huh? You're not. Hey. Mama, there's not much I can do. I'm trying to do my hair. I'm not laying down with you. I'm not. I am not. I refuse. It's always what you want. Okay. So normally, like what I'll do to get started, I just take a little portion down here, break it off. Girl! That's kind of a lot, so you can take less. Okay. The reason I don't really do like products is because they make my hair sizzle. It's like it's cooking my hair, and a lot of pieces would come off in the flat iron. So if you guys got like thermal protected or stuff like that, feel free to do so. Okay, you might hear her start to get like a little fussy in the background. Actually straightened a couple pieces, just two right now so far, is where my hair length is so far. I'm obviously not tall enough. You see where it's, or like, I don't know, is that almost belly button length? So I'm gonna show you guys like how I do a pass through real quick. So I'll grab like a piece like this. Use like the brush, the diamond brush, to kind of make sure there's no knots. I use a comb when I'm doing this, so I'll start at the top, bring the comb down a little bit, pull, kind of tug on my hair, go to the top, do like, I do like a this motion on the top, on both sides. Do a very, very slow pass. That needs a trim. So I just continue to take little sections. I don't want to say I'm tender-headed, but this stuff hurts. I do hold my hair in my mouth. So I think I'm gonna probably speed this up so you don't have to watch me do my entire head. Looking like so far. Does anybody else enjoy straightening their hair because of the low maintenance that you have to do? Like, I don't. I straighten it once and then I leave it like that. Just like, hey, like, I love it. I love my curly hair though too. I love the versatility that I have. This is half of my hair finished. I'm gonna speed through the other half of the process. Okay. This is what we're dealing with now. I'll be right back, y'all. So right now I'm like almost finished. This side is starting to look a lot straighter to me than this side. Does that ever happen to you guys? Like that? It makes me feel like I should then re-straighten this side or something. Think about the middle part. Should it be a side part instead? Comment down below. But this is it. This is the finished look. I'm gonna stand in front of the window so you guys can actually see what I'm working with. Damn, I like can't stop touching it and looking at myself. It's crazy. I wish I could give myself a trim. First, let me take you guys to the window over there. My hair, the finished product. Okay. So this is my hair right now.